first basic principle that the Quran has laid down is that a Muslim should keep in mind all the time that he is here only to serve God and not to serve his own purposes as they might emerge from his own self. The purposes, of course, will emerge from his own self, but they have got to be subordinated to divine pleasure. This is the basis of the spiritualization of life in Islam, because Islam has converted all worldly things and all worldly activities into acts of worship. If these worldly activities are performed with the consciousness that they are being performed in obedience to the divine law and the divine scheme of things, in order that the divine purpose may be fulfilled, then every action, however mundane it may appear to us to be, is an act of worship according to Islam.